Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to go through express entry points calculator. In other terms CRS point calculator. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask us. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So I have made similar videos before also, but things have changed since then. So that is why I am making this newer version. So let's go through the CRS tool. It's very simple, and basically when you submit your express entry profile, it automatically gets calculated. Okay, but let's calculate here. So what is your marital status? So we will calculate as a couple, and then we will also calculate in a different video as a single unmarried person. So now when it comes to calculate as a couple, it's very important that you do it in both ways. Let's say there is a man and woman as a couple. So case 1, scenario 1, make man as the primary applicant. Case 2, make woman as the primary applicant, and then calculate points, because sometimes such minor tweakings can shoot up your points. So make sure you apply all combinations and find out in which you get the most points before you enter into the pool to maximize your chances of getting a successful invitation. So what is your marital status? Let's say married. Is your spouse common law partner Canadian citizen permanent resident? Let's say no. Will your spouse common law partner come with you to Canada? Yes. How old are you? If you plan to complete an express entry profile, enter your current age. So let's say 27 years age. What is your level of education? ECA. Let's say bachelor's degree. Have you earned a Canadian degree diploma? Let's say no. Official language you need to submit. Are your test results less than 2 years old? Yes. Which language test did you take for your first official language? Let's say IELTS. Score, let's say this guy scored 8 in all. I know it's a difficult score, but if somebody like me can achieve it, anybody can achieve it. Do you have other language results? So let's say this guy has taken TEF also, or TCF, whatever you want to say. Now why I am doing it? Because there are additional bonus points. So I just want to show that using these things you can even shoot up your points. In last 10 years, how many skilled work experience in Canada you have? Let's say none, because he has never been to. Foreign work experience in last 10 years, so he has 3 years or more. Do you have a certificate of qualification from Canadian province, territory, or federal body? Let's say no. Additional point, do you have a valid job offer supported by LMIA? No. Do you have a nomination certificate from province, territory? No. Do you or your spouse or common law partner, if they will come with you, have at least one brother or sister living in Canada who is a citizen or permanent resident? Let's say no. But if you have, select yes, because that gives more points. What is your highest level of qualification for which your spouse or common law partner has earned a Canadian degree, diploma, or ECA? Let's say she has also done bachelor's degree. In the last 10 years, how many years of skilled work in Canada does your spouse have? Let's say none. Take language test. Yes, she has taken IELTS. Let's say she has scored even higher, 8.5, let's say in all. I know it's even more. So calculate your score. If you scroll down, see it's a quite high point because of the language test results. Now guys, let's do one thing. Now let's do tweaking and see how these things work. Okay, now if I make the spouse in this case as the primary applicant, so spouse in this case has not taken any French test, so the additional bonus points for French that you see here, the second official language, this wouldn't appear, right? So although she may score high here, like I assume that she would be scoring more in IELTS, but this point factor she would not be able to score. Other things are like same, and you can see French language skills point, see total additional points, like how it makes a huge difference, huge. So guys, you can always try for that. Now let's do one thing, let's play around. Speaking, let me reduce it to 7, everything just by one level down, and let's see what happens. Okay, so it currently 512. Now recalculate. See 459, so just one level down and it came down. So you can imagine the points you can have based on your higher skills. If you score more, there's nothing that can be stopped easily. Similarly for your spouse, like if I score back again, it will go to 5112. It's from 515, probably in one I even upgraded more. But if I reduce your spouse score here, okay, it did not make much difference because of bands. Now yeah, so you see, like for the principal applicant, language fluctuation causes a lot of difference. Now in a different case, like for spouse, if I make it a master's degree, okay, now let's see how much it comes. It did not make much difference, 513 to 512. But if I go back here and if I make this guy as master degree, it created a huge difference. I mean to say, let's say there's a case in the couple, one person has a master degree. So if you make that person as primary applicant, in that case calculate the score and see. So make all the combinations and see in which, I mean, of course there are going to be only two combinations because you can't do much with your degrees and all. Only thing that is under control with you to certain extent is your language test results. If you appear next time, you can try to score more, and if you achieve, definitely that's going to help you. And work experience comes with time. There's no magical formula, you can just increase it. So but yeah, if you hold bachelor's, if your spouse holds master, recalculate and see who's making more points and how you can get into the pool. So all these combinations you should work out and then decide for yourself. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.